These are my updated predictions for edexcel A-level chemistry paper 1. Disclaimer again, these are just predictions. Do not use this as your only revision. These are made by looking at the past 7 years of results and papers and everything. So do not take this as your only revision. It's probably not going to be at all correct. It's just there for you to check if there's anything that you missed when you revise. As always, the predicted paper is already in the link in my bio. Again, it's completely free for you to use. There is nothing in here that I think will actually come up exactly like this. It's just a way for you to practice again. Okay, firstly, I think the ones that are definitely gonna come out, in my opinion, is going to be your structure and bonding, because it's very overdue. Energetics, Bornhaber, I think it's gonna be pretty up there this year. And then electrode potentials and redox, it's been absent for a little bit. Group 7, it's pretty overdue as well, so I think you're gonna have that. Last year you had quite a bit of group 2. Redox titration appears almost every single year. Transition metals, acids, and bases, they appear every single time, so you probably will have that all again. Ionization, energy, electron configuration, probably going to be there. For energetics, you're going to have like Gibbs, entropy, things like that. I would highly recommend looking at the OCRA paper for you to practice on, and I would highly recommend looking at edexcel international papers for you to practice on, because there's some pretty difficult calculation questions in there. But yeah, be careful with your wordings this year. I think they're going to be very big on that in terms of like how you interpret the questions, so just be very careful. Buffer calculations, I think you're going to have something where you have like a mixture between, so you have like the buffer, then they add an acid or a base to it. That's not very commonly asked across all of the exam boards for some reason, but it's always the one that like most students lose marks in, because they don't know which equation to use. So just be careful with that, and then also be careful with the fact that you need to add up the volumes afterwards. Aside from that, good luck.